Okay, so in terms of the compactor itself, you've got your off and on switch just at the front, just for this particular model, the Wolf 196cc. It's a pull start petrol, and you've got your choke here as well, and then your fuel, your off and on for your fuel. So I'm just going to pop the choke on. So it's just like you would normally have on your mower. The throttle itself, this is low up to high range, and you don't need to sort of keep it depressed all the way. You set it and then it will hold itself in place. So I'm going to give it a little bit of throttle. Pull start takes a couple of goes to start. Again, make sure you've got hearing defense, make sure you're not facing anything. So I'm going to orientate this round a little bit now, and then you can see the line. We've done a bit of compacting already, and then you can see the sort of line here. I'm going to compact down.